In this video, we'll write the Lewis structure for BaOH2, barium hydroxide. Barium on the periodic table, that's a metal, and then O and H, those are nonmetals. In fact, they're a group of nonmetals called a polyatomic ion. This is the hydroxide ion. Because we have a metal and then we have nonmetals, we have an ionic compound, and the metal will transfer electrons to the polyatomic ion. We go to the periodic table. Barium is in group 2. It has a 2+ charge. And if you look up OH, the hydroxide ion, on a table of common polyatomic ions, you'll see it has a 1- charge. So we have 2 of these minuses. That balances out the 2+. It's a neutral compound. We'll write barium, and then we'll put an OH on either side. Barium, we said that's a 2+, and then the hydroxides, they have that 1- charge. That means that this barium had 2 valence electrons. It transferred 1 here and then 1 here. Since it lost electrons and electrons are negative, it has a positive charge. These gained the electron, they have negative charge. Let's replace this hydroxide ion here with a Lewis structure. Then we'll put brackets around each of these OHs, and you'll often see brackets around the cation here, this positive metal ion. And that makes this the Lewis structure for BaOH2, barium hydroxide. Do note that what we've drawn is called a formula unit. Barium hydroxide is normally a crystal, and it's made up of a bunch of formula units in a repeating pattern. It's called a crystal. This is Dr. B with the Lewis structure for barium hydroxide. Thanks for watching.